In this video, I want to show you how to make the triangle peg. So we start with a new part. We click the picture above, Start 2D Sketch. I'm going to click on the flat XZ plane here. Then we're going to use a tool we haven't used yet to draw the triangle, because our triangle needs to be equilateral. Alright, so I'm going to show you two ways of doing the triangle peg. One with the polygon tool and one with the line tool. So we're going to start with the polygon tool. So you go up to the word rectangle and click on it, and at the very bottom you have the word polygon. You're going to go ahead and click on the word polygon, and it's going to come up with this little window here, and it wants to know how many sides does your polygon have. Well, we're drawing a triangle which has how many sides? 3. So I type in a 3. And then I don't click the word done, because if I click done, then I can't draw it. I'm going to come out here, and I'm going to click somewhere. And if you notice, I have a triangle growing at the end of my mouse. So I'm going to come as close to flat as I can. And I'm going to click once, and then I can click done, or I can hit escape as well. So now I have a triangle, but I want to straighten the triangle just to make sure that my measurements end up correct. And so to do that, I notice I want to make the word top, first of all, show up so that I can read it. So hit those arrows on the side. And then I'm going to hit this horizontal constraint. This is going to tell one of those lines, whichever line I click on, to go flat, just like you see in that little video. It's going to go straight left to right. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on this line, and it's going to straighten it up for me. Alright, then I want a dimension. And I want a dimension from this top point. See how that top point turned white? I do not want the line. I want just this top point. And then the opposite side here, because we're going to make the height of this triangle be 1. So I clicked on that bottom line, and so now I'm going to click and tell it to be 1. And so now it's the correct size. So that's, and then I hit finish sketch, and I extrude it. And that is one way of doing the triangle peg. I want to show you the other way, so I'm going to hit undo a bunch of times. Alright. And I'm going to use the line tool. So now I'm going to use the line tool, and I'm just going to draw a triangle with lines, making sure when I'm done that I have a green dot up here so that I know my triangle is actually closed. If you don't have a green dot at the end, then you're not closing your triangle. Alright, so now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to straighten one of these things. So just like I did with the polygon one, I'm going to turn this guy so that I can read the word top. I'm going to use the horizontal constraint to straighten things out. So I'm going to click on one of those lines and make it straight. And then we have this equal button here. And I can use this to make any two lines equal. So if I want an equilateral triangle, I need all 3 lines. So I'll start by clicking that button. There we go. Okay. Then I click 2 lines, and it makes those 2 equal. And then I click one of those 2 lines, it doesn't matter which one, and my third line, and now I have an equilateral triangle. So now, just like with the polygon one, I can click dimension, click my top point, and the opposite line, and then make the height 1. Hit finish sketch, extrude it to whatever your blue peg needs to be, change the color to blue, and then I can save it as blue triangle peg. Then, if I want to make the yellow peg right from here, I could just go up to the eye, click a new part. Or I can come over here to the extrusion 1 and double click. I get that little window back up that I can type a number in, and I type in the next height. I hit enter, I change the color to yellow, and then I go down to save as and change the name of it. And so there I have 2 of the triangle pegs done. So I showed you how to do it with the polygon tool or how to do it with the line tool. So you can choose whichever one seems easiest to you, or which one comes the most naturally. You automatically do it. Alright?